Hello, friends. Today we're going to talk to you about a magical power that you have, the power of prayer. Now, to talk about it, we have to bring up a few questions. What is prayer? Who are you praying to? Is everyone praying to the same being or recipient of that prayer, or are they different? Are you truly just praying to your I am? Is prayer just talk, communication, or is it more? If it is a magical power that you have, then it must be more. And in that case, what is it? It is often you expressing either gratitude or sometimes a deep worry, fear, desperation. That is an interesting thing to express because you know that when you activate an energy like desperation and talk about it, you certainly don't activate the solution. You don't activate the answer. So, how do you use prayer? If it is a method of communication, and if you know who or what you are communicating with, then where is the magic in prayer for you? Is it, as we said, the same for you as it is for the person next to you? Why do one set of prayers get answered and not another? Do yours? Is it that they asked better? Is it that the recipient of the prayer is judging the prayers or judging the people praying? Unlikely, because you likely don't really believe that the recipient of your prayers is filled with judgment. So what's it, the difference between one person's prayer and another's? And are prayers heard, answered? Well, of course they are heard, but are they answered? And if it is a matter of communication between you and your I am, then isn't it more likely that prayer is a place of connecting with yourself, with higher, deeper aspects of yourself, with your source energy, your I am, or whatever you want to call whatever you are connected with? And therefore, is how you pray everything. Is that your magic? If you pray with intent, an intent to become the solution, an intent to become the next version of yourself, is that empowering your prayer? Are all prayers heard and answered? Yes, but it isn't in the answer always. You see, you may pray for change, but then not accept change, not wanting things to change, not be comfortable with change. So more than a prayer not being answered, which isn't the case, it is your ability to allow your prayer to be answered. So when you ask with intent and you align yourself to what you are praying for, and you allow the changes in yourself and in your life, you will find that prayer can be a direct line of communication to your I am and to your ability to speak to and even hear all that you are and get on the same page as all that you are. And you will also find that your prayers are always answered. Until next time.